question 3 integrates the following, and we have the first one, the a parts. To do, use this integral sign 1 over 2x plus 1. Okay, then you put your dx. So first thing you do, this is similar to integral of 1 over what? 1 over x dx, which is what? Ln what? Ln this. So the same thing is applicable. And I want you to know something here. If you have 1 over x plus 1, if you are adding to that variable, it does not change your form of answer. Okay, let's see. But the moment you put an integer here, okay, if you put an integer there, then you would divide. Let's say you have an integral of 1 over 3x plus whatever you want to call it plus 5. Okay, so this will be equal to ln what? Ln 3x plus 5. Then put your constant of integration. Then you divide by what attaches to that function. That's 1 over 3. Okay? So in this case also, your answer will just be equal to what? Ln what? Ln the function. Okay? Then plus c. Then you divide by that coefficient of your function, which is 1 over what? 1 over 2. Or you divide by derivative of this function. So that's that on the a parts. For the b parts, we have this. I'm going to remove these inverse. I'm going to write it as well. 2x plus 1 exponent minus 2 dx, which is equal to 2x plus 1. So this is minus 2. So minus 2 plus 1. So that's minus 1. Okay? Over what? Minus 1. Then you divide by the attachment to the function. That's 1 over what? Over 2. Plus what? Plus c. Okay? So and that will give us what? Minus what? Minus half times 2x plus 1 to the power minus 1 plus c. Okay? So the only thing we just need to do is just to do the algebra. Okay? Remove the negative power. And that will be equal to minus 1 over 2 times 2x plus 1 plus c. So that is your answer. The c part, you have 2x plus 1 to the power 2. Put your integral there, dx. This is very straightforward. Don't forget the general rules. So this will be equal to 2x plus 1, and then 2 plus 1, that's 3 over 3. Then you divide by the attachment to your function. 1 over what? 1 over 2 plus what? Plus c. And your answer will be what? 1 over 6 2x plus 1 to the power 3. And you put your plus c. For d parts, integral over, you can put the 3 outside the integration if you want to, and that 1 over what? 1 over 4x minus 1 dx. Okay? So this one is just 3 ln what? 4x minus 1 plus c. Then you divide by what? By attachment to the function over what? Over 4. The e parts, integral of the 3 can go outside. Then you have 1 over what? 1 minus 4x x. This question is similar to d parts. Okay, so this will be 3 ln 1 minus 4x plus c. Then you check the function. Is there any attachment to the function? In this case, there is. And that attachment is what? Minus 4. So you divide by what? Minus 4. Then you get this answer. F. You have, this will be, 3 could be outside, 3 will go outside. Then you have 1 minus 4x minus 2. So then the next thing to do now is going to be 1 minus this power plus 1, that's minus 1, over what? Over minus 1, then plus c. Then you check the function. Do you have any attachment to the function? Yes, that's minus 4. So you divide by what? By minus 4. Minus, that's plus. Then these inverse, these negative power will come down. Then you have 3 over 4 is what? 1 minus 4x, okay, plus c. So that's that on that question. We go to this one here. So for the g, so this is very simple. So this will be what? This will be 3x plus 2, and then 5 plus 1, that's 6 over 6. Then you check the function. Any attachment to the function? Yes. You divide by what? By that attachment. Then plus what? Plus c. And then you have 1 over 18, 3x plus 2 plus 6. The j parts, that will be integral of, you can bring this 5 outside the integration, then you have 1 over 3 minus 2x dx. So, and this will be equal to, another thing you must know is that your plus b from here, from this table, ax plus b, okay, dx. Okay, it doesn't matter, your b in this case is coming to the front, it doesn't change the rules. So this will just be equal to 5 ln 3 minus 2x plus c. So the next question is that, what is the attachment to the function? That's minus 2 over what? Over minus 2. And that finishes your question. So that's that, which is saying that's what? 5 over 2 ln 3 minus 2x plus c. So please, if you are new on this channel and you are yet to subscribe, please click on the video. There's an icon there. Click on it and subscribe. Click on the notification bell. Okay. Click on the like button and send your comments. And finally, share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Send to your friends, your family. Okay. Thank you for doing that.